Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Prynhawn da a croeso cynnes iawn I chi gyd. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to Fairyhill. Those of you that can, please be upstanding for the arrival of the bridal path. Today is a day that you will remember together forever. A day of celebration and love, surrounded by friends and family.
Oh, Dad, you look wonderful. Can I have my makeup now, Dad? I can't cry. No.
I call upon
these persons here present
to
witness that I,
Jed
Dion Lewis,
do take thee,
Ellie Pullman,
to
to be my lawful wedded wife.
Oh my gosh.
Got it now, alright? Same again. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Ellie Pullman, do take thee, Jed Dion Lewis, to be my lawful wedded husband. Therefore gives me the greatest pleasure to declare that you are now husband and wife. Can I ask you to stand for one final time? Join me in congratulating the happy couple, Mr. and Mrs. Lewis.